Introducing the iQOO Z10x 5G and Ultramarine with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. Key features include a 6,500 mAh large capacity battery, Dimensity 7300 processor, and military-grade durability. Experience powerful performance with the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 5G processor designed for speed and efficiency. The iQOO Z10x 5G offers military-grade certified durability, having passed environmental tests under the U.S. military standard MIL STD 810H. Other features include super-fast UFS 3.1 storage up to 256 GB, a 120 Hz iCare display, and a 50 megapixels Ultra HD camera with 4K video recording. It also includes AI features like AI Erase and AI Translation. The 120 Hz iCare display features 1050 nits of high brightness and TÜV Rheinland eye protection for a comfortable viewing experience. Capture stunning visuals with the 50 megapixels Ultra HD main camera and utilize the IR Blaster functionality. Stay powered throughout your day with the massive 6,500 mAh battery. The device provides a fully loaded experience with FunTouch OS 15, powered by Android 15. It also guarantees 2 years of Android updates and 3 years of security updates. iQOO, a high-performance brand by Vivo, is supported by over 650 Vivo service centers, 30 million manufacturing capacity in India, and 10 global R&D hubs.